Welcome to TortillaWorld.com, the tortilla industry's #1 premier online classifieds website. Tortilla World has built a reputation in the tortilla, wraps, flatbreads, and chapati industry by having the world's largest online selection of new and used American brand tortilla manufacturing equipment, packaging, ingredients, lubricants, and replacement parts. TortillaWorld.com is viewed monthly by thousands of tortilla industry decision makers and professionals worldwide. TortillaWorld.com has our own exclusive Tortilla Tech brand of quality food grade and kosher certified lubricants developed specifically for the tortilla industry. Tortilla Tech 800 Silicon Plus Concentrated is a liquid non-stick Teflon spray for tortilla ovens lap belts. Also comes in our ready-to-use presentation. Tortilla Tech ready-to-use graphite oven chain lubricant. TortillaWorld.com provides quality training, consulting, and advice services for your tortilla manufacturing needs. These are some of the services that we offer. New tortilla facility designs and layouts, tortilla plant expansion, production flow assistance, downtime reduction, facility efficiency improvements, tortilla processing design and procedures, waste reduction, as well as hands-on training at your facility. TortillaWorld.com is the exclusive distributor for Navitec in the US, the tortilla industry's top choice for quality-made new equipment at an affordable price. Navitec is simply the best made in Mexico. Call us toll-free at 1-800-335-TORTILLA to speak to our experienced Tortilla World representatives and consultants. Follow us on social media to receive updates and special offers. Thank you for visiting TortillaWorld.com.